I've had these in for 1 month and 5 days, 5 weeks, or 35 days. That's how long I've had these. And so I must have completed 5 weeks. I didn't notice. I be wearing these mini braids. I don't be worried. I keep up with my routine with, moisturizing and hydrating my hair every week, putting these braids, and just move on with my time. Moisturizing, hydrating it, and sealing it every week or every 2 weeks, and wearing a head wrap. And if not wearing any type of satin head wrap or silk, a silk pillowcase will do. The vinegar, it dried up my scalp, and I really should have put some oil on it at least, but I didn't think about that. I just thought about cleaning my scalp. I had used cotton rounds. I used some of this. I just scrubbed my scalp till my scalp was clean, and it dried out my scalp. I didn't add any moisture to it back in because I didn't know it was gonna dry out my scalp that much. And plus, my hair was already hydrated and moisturized, so I didn't think that was gonna happen. I don't know when I'm gonna do a real wash on my hair. I really don't know. And why I'm not washing my hair, besides the fact that it can cause more build up at the roots. It ages my style so bad. So, and with my hair right now, with moisture, hydrating and sealing it every week, that's been making it kind of old too. So I'm just changing it up a bit with how I hydrate, moisture, and seal my hair, or when. But then again, is 1 week really that bad? Because I was doing other stuff to my hair too. I ain't even on like, I was doing other stuff, like it was more like twice a week, now that I come to think of it. I've just been doing so much with these mini braids. I've been doing braid outs, and then hydrating 1 day of the week, and then hydrate, moisture, and sealing the other day of the week. And I'm just working to limit how much I do to my hair. While I got these mini braids, they're protective style, but they can become unprotective if you keep on doing all that manipulation to it. I'm really want to be cutting out a lot of stuff I've been doing with my hair, like seriously. And this is, I still got twisting. I had my hair twisted up in the front. It don't look like much, I know. On some parts it grew more than the other. Most definitely. Like, look at this. I'm still going to do another set, and they're going to be smaller than these. That's my nape, and I did not rebraid it because I did not wash my hair. So therefore, there will be little to no mat in there. Now when I wash my hair, the nape mats up. But when I don't wash my hair, my nape is pretty good. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna take out one of these braids on my nape, so I can show y'all how much buildup will be in one of these braids. I'm gonna take out this braid right here, and very important step here, very important, and that's this. If anything, get oil. And I'm gonna put it on my end, all the way up to the root. Cause this is the way that I take out my braid. I just massage it in there. Get it in there real good. Put it on the length of my hair. Y'all, my hair is getting so long now.
Start taking it out. It's coming out nice and easily. And if I need more oil from the slip, I will just add it. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil.
Can't really see much. I think I see some buildup right here. It's not a lot though, because watch how easy this braid comes out because I didn't wash my hair. Now I do need to add some more oil right there too. Oh.
You see this?
See the hair? Right here. I got shed hairs coming out of it as I'm pulling it. A little bit more finger detangling. And a little bit of water. Just a little bit. Rub it on my hand and put it on there like that. And that way, I'm not putting too much water on my hair. I get that out of there, whatever it is. It's a product buildup. Almost got it. I'm not at armpit length yet, I don't think. Nope, not yet. It's not reaching the armpits. All right, so time for me to go ahead and braid this down, and then I can just start moisturizing the rest of my hair, my scalp. Okay.
This braid looks so out of place because it's like, it's so deep, and I don't like the braid all the way to the end either. Just because it makes the takedown process harder in my opinion, so I leave at least some hair out. So I add the oil to my end.
Did I don't even know how much this is. I don't even know how long my actual hair is, because I don't do a lot of length checks like with rulers or stuff like that, because I don't want to become length obsessed. So I will do it, but then it's like I won't do it often. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to start off with the back, and I'm going to put some oil on the back and rub it in and whatever. I'm going to work my way up. So I'm gonna be doing a twist out on these mini braids. just put a line of oil on my scalp, and then I just guided the rest, all of it down. Like, I got all of it down all the way to my ends.